Does Daddy take the Snickers, you think?
Yes.
Owen, did you think so? Because does Daddy like Snickers?
Mm-hmm. Does Daddy like Reese?
What does he like?
Stickers?
Like, no, he doesn't. No. Really?
My dad does.
He does?
Yeah, he like gum.
Oh, he likes gum?
No, I like gum.
No, you can't have gum because you're too little. What else does Daddy like? What else does Daddy like?
And those stickers.
Those stickers?
Hey!
Those are suckers.
Yeah, maybe dad likes stickers.
Suckers.
Oh, don't fall for it. She's videotaping you.
Mom,
What?
my dad likes stickers.
He does?
Yeah.
Like a lot. Does he like it a lot?
Yeah, he does. And he like that in his mouth. And I can't miss it.
Does Daddy steal the candy? Don't, Reese. Does Daddy steal the candy? You think so? Whose? Whose candy does he steal? Does he ever steal Owen's?
Yeah, I'm guessing.
Does he? Did you give him one of your M&Ms?
Yes, but these are my M&Ms.
Are you going to share them with anybody else?
No, I know it.
What? You have to let Mommy have one, right?
This one?
Yeah. Aw, that's so sweet.
Oh, and
Thank
she's
you.
videotaping you. Look.